started receiving results from the constituencies returning officers across the country yesterday evening. Delegates elected in yesterday's exercise will be the only ones eligible to participate in the branch elections, which are scheduled for tomorrow, Wednesday, 9th April 2025, in all the 290 constituencies in the country.
Or your son that lost his life simply because you do not want to engage in an exercise which has rules, which is very well organized. It is really unfortunate. Like our Secretary for Communication and Publicity has said, the elections went on very well in all the 1,450 wards, save for those constituencies that the Central Committee had already indicated